How to get dark mode on Snapchat for Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get dark mode on Snapchat for Android device. Now, depending on the reason you are, if you have the meta version of Snapchat, what you can do is open up the Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this, and then head into the profile by tapping on the Bitmoji icon on the top left, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. And here, if you scroll down, you'll find the option preferences, and on preferences you will be able to turn on dark mode if you have the option available. However, now unfortunately, dark mode is not available on Snapchat, and there is no any way that you can force dark mode on Snapchat. Now, if you look up for any tutorials and if you try enabling dark mode, then it won't help, so it's just a waste of time. So what you can do is try get the meta version of the app. However, it's only possible depending on the reason you are, or else there is no any way to get dark mode on Snapchat for Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.